What's up, guys? Welcome back to So Many Parks So Little Time, or as I like to call it, some vampire sunlight. So today we are at Quassy Amusement Park in Middlebury, Connecticut, just off of Lake Quassapaug. This is sort of like a smaller version of Canopy Lake Park, which means that it fits the New England theme park bill like a glove. So this is a local favorite amusement park, but it was never really someplace that coaster enthusiasts saw it. They only had a Monster Mouse for the longest time, but then they shocked the roller coaster community in 2011 when they purchased the first Gravity Group family roller coaster in the United States. So that made them even more popular with the local community, with coaster enthusiasts and one very enthusiastic member of Coaster Dash's comment section. And it is a very good roller coaster. It's only 35 feet tall, but Gravity Group proves that you don't have to be the biggest or the baddest roller coaster to make something that's really going to thrill people of all ages. So yeah, this is a small park, but it's a charming park. So we're going to spend a couple hours here and check the place out. So not only is Wooden Warrior a ton of fun, but it was also a bit of a game changer. In 2011, Quassy was the very first amusement park to open the very first Gravity Group family roller coaster. And it was also Gravity Group's very first roller coaster in the US that was specifically designed with their Timberliner trains in mind. So despite being a small roller coaster in a small park, it's actually very, very innovative. And then yeah, this roller coaster paved the way for Gravity Group to design family roller coasters with some surprisingly intense airtime, tighter turns, sharper crests, and all in all, they produce a very fun roller coaster. It is immaculately smooth, the Timberliner trains are very comfortable, those tight turns they're so intense, and yet this ride has such a broad appeal. Kids will love it, thrill seekers love it. While there is some memeing of the ride, it is actually a very, very fun roller coaster, and definitely worth a side stop if you're passing through Connecticut. little ride might just be the most evil thing I have ever ridden. It is a small ride, but do not ride it if you have a weak stomach. So that was Quassy in Middlebury, Connecticut, and this is a very, very fun little park. Now, realistically, for my coaster enthusiast friends, I can only really recommend this place for Wooden Warrior, but honestly, it is worth it. It's a very, very fun roller coaster. It's a small ride, but it's one that you can lap over and over again and never be bored with. And then as for the park itself, I mean, it's very small, but if you're a local or if you're coming here with kids, this is an absolutely perfect place. Despite their small size, they have a very well-rounded collection of rides, including a couple smaller thrill rides that appeal to adults. It's a little park that has it all. It's got a nice little water park, a beautiful lakefront, and even though it's been 10 years since the last time I was here, it feels every bit as good as the very first time I made an appearance at this park. So yeah, Quassy, beautiful park, a very New England park, and if you're playing theme park bingo, then this is your park that will fill in the amusement park that starts with a Q qualifier. So that's going to do it for Quassy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We'll see which park we're at next week. I'll see you next time. Take care.